make sure you're the best facilitator. Which is why when someone says, what is your job as an entrepreneur? I say my job has been to be a janitor. I help clean up shit.
I want to know what would Varun, who was an engineer, would advise to other engineers, and also Varun, who's an entrepreneur, will advise to entrepreneurs, and also Varun, who is now a big creator, will advise other creators.
Varun the engineer now, Varun now advising engineers now, or me
Yeah.
the engineer then? Me the engineer there was like, boss, mat karna, is like what I would have said, but when I was that, but no. I feel that engineers are the most creative people in the world today. And I feel that you need to own that. I think that engineers don't own that enough. A lot of engineers do it as a degree, go do an MBA, get a job, finish that off,
Yeah.
right? To be an engineer is actually the most creative thing. I think of the most innovative people when you talk about it. I think innovative and creative have kind of merged because of engineers, because we brought both together.
Yeah.
I feel that engineers need to own that a lot more. The number of people I have met on my podcast who are engineers, who are in the creative space, is phenomenal, right? And everybody said it wasn't the frustration of it. I feel it was just that that's why they wanted to be engineers. They wanted to make stuff. They wanted to create stuff, and you found that channel somewhere else. You found that release somewhere else. So if you're going to be an engineer, make sure you're a creative engineer. Because you are. I mean, that's what an engineer is supposed to be, if you ask me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Varun the entrepreneur would. Okay, this is going to. Being an entrepreneur isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It's not about being the person with the best decisions in the room. It's about being the most supportive person in the room. You need to be able to put together the right set of people, give them the right kind of support, take care of all the stuff which shouldn't really be spending time taking care of, and then what you create will succeed. And it's not about you; it's about them, because the company is about the people. It's not about the founders. It's not about. I think vision evolves. Vision evolves
Yeah.
because of the people, right? When someone says, "Okay, what's the culture of Glitch?" I'm like, the culture of Glitch is what the people bring to it.
Yeah.
It changes every day, and you can set some guardrails, but I think in the end it's about the people. So make sure you're the best facilitator. Which is why when someone says, what is your job as an entrepreneur? I say my job has been to be a janitor. I help clean up shit. Because ideally people should only come to you when they're in deep trouble and something has to be sorted out, right?
Yeah.
They shouldn't come to you for anything else, because that's something they can take care of, and you then build it into them that only when the problems pile up high enough do you need to come to me. You should be able to handle it before that. It builds ownership, right? So then they're almost entrepreneurs themselves in taking care of things.
Yeah.
Which is, I think the one thing I miss is that no one has asked me about some water problem in the toilet in office for the last year. That is one thing I miss. I'm like, that has to be consistent. Ki Varun, there's pani nahi aa raha hai bathroom mein. It has been a question I've been asked for 11 years. The 11th year I have not been asked that. For 10 years I was asked that question. So be ready for that question. Figure a solve for that, because you have to solve it. No one else is going to do that. Which I think is the thing. So if you really want to be an entrepreneur, be that person. Be that person who's just going to support other people in doing something which is going to be amazing. And that's what I always believed is the right way to do it. I think Varun the creator is... you don't just have to be a creator. I think the word creator sometimes looked at as being this, okay, it's a job, right? It's something you do.
Yeah.
We can all be creators no matter what we do in life. I feel the one key part about being a creator is you're not a creator to make money. You're not a creator
Yeah.
to become a star or to get fame.
Yeah.
You're a creator because you enjoy doing it. One of my most liked episodes on Advertising is Dead was the one with Tanmay, right? And I think he articulated what I felt so well. He said that what would you do for no money? What I do as a creator, I would do for no money. It's great to get money.
Yeah.
I love it. I mentioned Naval Ravikant. I was watching a clip today where he says that to get people to a certain level, you need to first get them rich. And I think he said everybody in the world should have a certain amount of money, because then they can really realize their dreams and aspirations. So you are a creator because you enjoy doing it. If it can also make you enough money to be able to be the sole thing you do in life, that's amazing. But it doesn't have to be the sole thing you do in life also. You can do it while having a job, because I think being a creator helps make your job better, helps make how you perform. Like, I am better in client conversations now than I've been through my entire career, because I know how to have a conversation really well.
Yeah.
I have almost honed it as a craft over the last 2.5 years, and I use that really well with clients. I know how to direct traffic now a lot better in that sense. There are I'd say there are effects of that feed into your job as well.